Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Nailed It's 5th Day Challenge. In today's video, I'll show you a really fun Candy Crush nail art design. So let's begin applying our base coat first. I don't have a dark brown color, so I'm using a black nail polish to create a circle. You can fix it up to your liking. I'll draw the similar circle on my thumb, and I'll also list down the nail polish that I have used in the description box below for you guys, so don't forget to check it out. Next, we'll take a toothpick to create lot of small dots using white polish, which will help the other colors to pop out. I'll repeat the same step again. If you want to learn how to make nail art using household items, then stay tuned. My whole channel is about making your life easy when it comes to nail art. So be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you. Now we will paint the tip white. I messed it up a little bit, but we will take care of this, don't worry. All you have to do is dip your brush in acetone and clean it like the way I'm doing here. And we get a perfect edge. I post brand new videos every day, so make sure that you are subscribed. And hit the bell notification so you get notified the next time I post the video. And before we get into this video, be sure you hit the thumbs up button right down there below so that I know that you're watching. So to avoid the mistake which we did, make sure that you have polish only on one side of the brush like so. Okay, so I will just speed up the process so that you don't have to wait forever. Now let's add some color. I'm adding purple first using a toothpick. You can also use a dotting tool if you have one, or else you can go ahead with a toothpick like I'm doing here. Now we'll go with red. Green. Yellow. Finally blue, and I'm leaving some white. Once the white nail tip is dried up, use red nail polish to create another tip using a toothpick so that you don't mess it up, because now if we do, we cannot use the acetone. Go slow and steady, take your own time. Leave a white strap above it to add red lines over the white. Don't worry if the lines aren't perfect, it will either way look cute. We'll repeat the same step, but now I'm using yellow nail polish, and this time I'm using a brush. But you can always use the toothpick if you're comfortable with toothpick, or else brush, depends on your own preference. Now we'll add the lines. I am using a yellow color, but you can always feel free to use any color that you have, like a blue color, purple, green, any. We are done. Let's fix all our nails with a fast drying top coat for a long lasting manicure. I hope you guys love this video. I have made it in the simple way that I could. Make sure that you comment below and let me know if you like the way I showed you how to do this simple nail art for beginners. I would love to hear it from you. And if you want me to make any specific video, please let me know in the comments below. I will surely do it. Thank you so much for watching.